In this tutorial we are going to learn the concept of using the top-level await for resolving HTTP request promises. In JavaScript modules you can directly use the top-level await without async functions. We will learn it through our APIs example. So let's proceed with the example of consuming APIs without top-level await keyword. Here we created an index.html file, in which we included a script.js of type module. And in script module file we imported the three response variables of comment, todo and users APIs from HTTP API service file. As you can see in this file we declared three variables that hold the result promise of axios call. First is users API, second is comment API call, and third is todos API call. Let's run this HTML file and see the output. If we run the HTML file in browser we can see output in console. Instead of API's responses, undefined is printed for each API call from HTTP API service file. And if we look in network tab the data is coming for called APIs. But instead of response, undefined value is printed because console log is called before the data from HTTP request was available from APIs. JavaScript code not waited for API's results. And we can fix this problem by simply using top-level await keyword in HTTP API service module. Let's go back in HTTP API service module and put the await keyword before the promise. In our case the axios call is returned promise, so we will put await keyword before the axios call like this. When an await is encountered in code during import in child module, the awaited expression, that is axios call in our example, is executed, while all code that depends on the expression's value is paused, until the axios promise is resolved. Now if we run this file after putting the await keyword in HTTP API service module, the data from APIs is print in console. And without top-level await, undefined was printed instead of API response. So in this way we can utilize the top-level await in JavaScript. Like this video if you find this tutorial helpful. And subscribe this channel for next upcoming JavaScript tutorials on important topics. See you in next video.